Hello, welcome to Music for Androids. I just want to start with a question, really. I made this. I don't know what to call it, I don't know what it is, I don't fully understand how it works, to be honest. But it sounds terrible. It's very, very unpredictable. And I'm hoping someone stumbles upon this video and can help with some guidance as to how to make it sound a bit better. I'm just going to blast it out just for a few seconds so you can sort of hear what I'm talking about here, because it's got pretty flashing lights. That's something, I suppose, isn't it? Let's see, let's do this one. So I don't know if you can hear. I'll move this closer. The feedback is terrible. Now, they've got this low pass filter, but I just don't know what to do with it. So if anybody has any ideas for the next step, then please let me know, because I want to make something musical, which obviously I think is what we all want to do, isn't it, really? So that's enough of that. I'm quite happy with it, though, to be honest. In a way, I've got a little, well, you can see it all now, push that over there. I've got a little preamp. See, I'm wondering if everything's going into here. So there's two outputs from here, both going into there, and I think they might be interfering with each other. Because I did build a very, very basic little, keyboardy thing. And when I fed that into there as well, it just ended up making white noise in the end. So I tried building a little buffer for each section before it fed into here, into the preamp, but that didn't seem to do, well, that just killed all the noise as well. So yeah, if anybody, anything or has any ideas how to make it sound better, other than of course take it apart and just abandon the idea, because it does occasionally make a very nice noise. So yeah, that was something I just wanted to ask. Get out of the way, because today, a little bit of coffee. The plan now is to make, I watched a video last night from Look Mum No Computer, and he was just showing very quickly how to do a low pass filter with is it a Vactrol? Let me just remind myself of the word, because I forgot how to say it. Vactrol. So I thought today I might try building one of them, a little filter. So I'm going to use this. I've got a schematic up. Let's see if we can see that. I don't know if this is going to be upside down. For a little square wave oscillator. And then yeah, we'll see if we can't make something and then make that sound a bit more interesting. I'm sure everyone's built one of them. In fact, should we do it before and after? That might make sense. So this is it as it sounds now. I sort of built it for my 5-year-old stepdaughter to play about with. Everyone's had, basic as they come. And this filter's going to be pretty basic as well, I suppose, isn't it? So, yes, I'll do a little speed through this build, I think, and then we'll pick up at the end. See you in a few. Okay, watching this back, I'm about to make some very, very, very silly mistakes. I didn't think they'd be massively obvious on the video, but they are. Yeah, forgive me. I am working with very little sleep at the moment. So if you watch any second now, there we go. Yeah. Oh well, never mind. It worked in the end, didn't it? Okay, sorry about the break in the video there. I now have a little 6-recorder system with me. So, just experimenting a little bit with these capacitors, just trying to find one that go at a decent rate, reasonably quick. I think we want, don't we? Not the easiest thing in the world with a baby on my knee, but that's better, isn't it? And there's that. We're just in it. Yeah, we get a nice little pulse there, aren't we? Okay. Just have a quick little tidy up, because an organised bench is, well, an organised kitchen table is definitely best. They can go away, that can go away. Okay, so now we have that. Let me see if the Bambino wants to say hello. Hello. Hopefully he'll learn a little bit. Yeah, you never know, do you? What's next? Okay, yes, the filter. Right, so how are we going to approach this? We just need let's go for potentiometer. So if we go for 50, so 50k pot, we pop over here, and then a small little, I don't know, one of these 10 nanofarad capacitor, which will pop, let's say about here. I think I'm going to have to take a moment, deal with Elwinji here and come back to this because he's going to require both hands. So we're back in a sec. Okay, we're back. Now, full disclosure, I forgot to press record before, so I finished it. But it's not hugely different. You can hear, I think, a slight sort of vibrato to it. I turn the filter right down. Oh. Goes away completely. But you can hear there's a pulsing, which, let's see if we can make that noise a bit more tolerable. And then the light, can you make out the light there when it comes on? It's flickering, it's doing something. I'm happy enough with that. So yeah, I don't understand what the point of this video is. We should have a look at how it's made. I'm sure most of you are aware. You get a light dependent resistor. Well then, LED for the white one, and then we literally just set in focus. There we go. Put them together like that. Wrap it in tape, and you end up with something looks like that. Now it should be more sealed up, I think, to stop any extra light getting in from the outside. But oh well, never mind. To be honest, I'm quite glad I didn't film that, because you don't watch my chubby fingers trying to feel the way around with all the tape. So yeah, I don't know if we class today as a success. But anyway, back to the main purpose of the video. If anyone has any ideas how this can be improved, then let me know, please, because I'm getting some cool noises out of it as well. I put a few shorts up with some of the strange noises that it makes. But I like to make something a bit musical. And I understand this isn't musical, obviously, but it's a step in the right direction. It's all a learning curve, isn't it? Right, so yeah, I shall say goodbye. Like and subscribe. If if you like it, feel free. I'll be putting up more of this sort of rambling nonsense every now and again. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day.